Hi, Joe Stokley with Stokley Properties with another video newsletter. I'm sitting here with, from Homesmiles, Greg Hawkins. Stokley Properties is happy to announce that we are partnering with Homesmiles to bring a new program to you, our valued clients.
Homesmiles is pleased to provide Stokley real estate investors with a package of services that maintains your home and first and foremost covers all of the fire safety issues at your residence. We're going to be doing gutter cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, hood filter cleaning, hot water heater flush, and smoke and carbon monoxide logs.
These items that we want to offer really should be addressed every year. For instance, you want to have clean gutters. They don't work if they're full of dirt and leaves and things like that. Flush the hot water heater. Very important to do the hot water heater, once a year. Clean the vents above the cooktop. A lot of grease and things build up there. Another potential fire hazard. Clean that out. Clean the lint that collects in the dryer vent. Clean that out. And most importantly, check those smoke detectors and CO detectors to make sure they're working. All these items we believe are essential for the health and safety of the residents that live in the property.
The best part about this is what would normally be over $800 worth of services we're offering to Stokley real estate investors for $439.
We believe for $439, that's a really great value. It's a super important thing to do for your properties. Like always, if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. Our number, 925-658-1415. And all of us from Stokley Properties and from Homesmiles, thank you very much and have a good day. And thank you, Greg.
Thank you, Jeff.
Okay, thanks.